The ride is whisper quiet, with air suspension and a dual-motor setup for smooth acceleration. Whether you're gliding through city traffic or accelerating onto the highway, the Urban delivers a driving experience that's both powerful and refined. The advanced suspension system adapts to changing road conditions, ensuring comfort no matter where you go. Tech is everywhere. A massive infotainment screen, wireless everything, and smart navigation that plans charging stops. The intuitive interface keeps you connected and entertained, while voice controls and seamless smartphone integration make every drive more convenient. The Urban anticipates your needs, offering features like over-the-air updates and customizable displays. Bentley's battery is built for longevity and easy recycling, supporting their carbon-neutral goals. Fast charging capability means you'll spend less time plugged in and more time on the move. The Urban's commitment to sustainability extends beyond the drive, with a focus on responsible sourcing and end-of-life recycling for every component. The Urban is as good for the planet as it is for your daily drive. It's designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing comfort and performance, making it the perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who refuse to compromise on luxury. If you want the ultimate luxury EV, this is it. The Bentley Urban redefines what it means to drive electric, offering a blend of prestige, innovation, and sustainability that's unmatched in its class. But if practicality is your priority, Hyundai's Ioniq 6 is up next, offering a different take on the electric driving experience.